In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to format tables in Microsoft PowerPoint 2025. Whether you're looking to improve a presentation for work, school, or a personal project, learning how to effectively format tables can make a big difference in how your information is presented and perceived. Let's dive right into it to help you master table formatting in PowerPoint 2025. So you can create presentations that stand out and convey your message clearly. First, you'll need to navigate to the Microsoft PowerPoint for the web page. If you're not already logged in, go ahead and click on the Sign In button. This step is crucial because you want to ensure that all your work is saved to your account, allowing you to access it from any device at any time. Once you're signed in, you'll be directed to the PowerPoint home, where all of your presentations are stored. Next, find the presentation you want to work on by browsing through your existing files, or use the search function if you have many documents. Click on the presentation and it will open up in a new tab, ready for editing. If you're starting from scratch, you can create a new presentation by selecting the New option. Let's move on to the core of today's guide, inserting and formatting tables. In your open presentation, select the slide where you'd like to place the table. Navigate to the Table option, usually found on the toolbar at the top. Clicking on this will reveal the Insert Table feature. Here you can specify the number of rows and columns you need. A handy tip: think about the complexity of your data. You want enough rows and columns to organize your data clearly, but not so many that the table becomes overwhelming or cluttered. Once your table appears on the slide, you can begin customizing it to fit your presentation style and needs. You can adjust the table's size by clicking and dragging the corners. This flexibility allows you to make your table larger for more detailed data, or smaller to conserve space. PowerPoint also offers various table styles that you can apply with a single click. These are designed to enhance readability and aesthetic appeal. Explore different color schemes, text alignments, and grid line options until you find one that complements your presentation's overall design theme. Remember, formatting isn't just about looks, it's also about making your information easy to understand. Ensure that the table's headers stand out using bold text or contrasting colors. Keep columns and rows aligned, and don't forget to double check for consistency. Uneven text alignment can distract from your message. And there you have it. By following these steps, you should be equipped with the knowledge to format tables effectively in Microsoft PowerPoint 2025. Practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to experiment with different styles and configurations. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helps you create outstanding presentations with polished, professional tables.